Hey everyone, welcome back to Bit9. Today I'm going to show you how to install SKLauncher on your Windows PC. SKLauncher is a fantastic alternative launcher for Minecraft, offering access to various mods and game versions. Let's dive in. First, we need to download SKLauncher. Open your web browser and head to the official SKLauncher website at skmedics.pl. Ensure you're on the official site to avoid any malicious downloads. Once on the website, click the Download button. You'll see different download options. Select the one for Windows, then click the Download.exe 64-bit button and save the file to your preferred location. If you notice that the download button is still loading, or if you're having trouble clicking it, try disabling your AdBlock extension, using a different browser, or just waiting a few minutes. Once the download is complete, locate the file, which should be named SKLauncher.exe. Before running SKLauncher, you need to ensure Java is installed on your system. Open your browser and search for Java for Windows. Click on the link to the official Java download page. I'll also leave the website link in the description below. On the Java download page, go to the Windows section, click on the Windows Offline 64-bit button, and save the file to your preferred location. Next, find the downloaded Java executable file and double-click it to start the installation. If you see a pop-up asking, "Do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device?" Click Yes. Then click Install to begin the installation process. Once it's finished, click Close. To ensure the changes take effect, refresh your Windows screen or restart your computer if needed. Now you can open SKLauncher. Locate the downloaded SKLauncher file and double-click it. SKLauncher will update its files to the latest version. Once open, click on the Login with Microsoft button. You'll be redirected to the Microsoft login page in your browser. Enter your email and password to log in. After logging in, close your browser. If you see the error message, "Sorry, this account does not own Minecraft Java Edition," it means you haven't purchased the full version of Minecraft. Click Switch to Offline Mode, then enter a random username and click Login Offline. In offline mode, click on Installations Manager to install mods, resource packs, shader packs, and adjust settings for your worlds and servers. When you're ready to play, click Play Latest Snapshot. Minecraft should launch without any issues. And that's it. You're all set to play Minecraft using SKLauncher. You can choose different game versions, install mods, and much more. Enjoy your gaming experience. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials and tips. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and I'll be happy to help. Happy gaming, and see you next time.